guys, welcome to the unboxing of the Pigeon Amaze Plus electric kettle. As you can see, it comes in a very compact square box with the product picture right on top. It has a 1.5 litre capacity, 1500 watt power motor and a 1-year warranty. If you flip this to the side, you can see the key features of the product like a stainless steel body, the easy to operate with indicator light, an elegant design and the cord winding feature. If we flip this further, you can see all the product description mentioned over here, including the MRP and the customer care details. So without any further ado, let's open the box. Now if we talk about the main product, the Pigeon Amaze Plus electric kettle comes with a very handy user manual along with the warranty card right at the back. If we come to the main kettle, it is made of high grade stainless steel and has a matte finish. The handle is black in color and it's made of high grade plastic. It has an on and off button right on top. If we look at the top, you can see it has a very easy to push lid which you can open and shut and lock it. It also has an inbuilt filter and a spout so that your water doesn't spill. If you look at the base, it has an indicator light to tell you whether the kettle is on or off. If you look at the bottom, this is the heating coil which will heat up the water inside. Now coming to the base, this is the base of the kettle. It's actually quite sturdy and very light. It has a small heating coil right at the center. If we flip this, it has a cord winding system as well. Coming to the cord is not very long, but it is very sturdy and very flexible. It's quite broad and it can get fit in any 3-pin socket. So overall guys, I think the Pigeon Amaze Plus electric kettle is going to make an excellent addition in your kitchen. Now you can boil water anytime you want. And that's it for the unboxing of the Pigeon Amaze Plus electric kettle.